I'm Joyce. Okay, I used to be an auditor, but right now I'm in recruitment field, so I'm a recruiter. Not really. I used to heard about stock from my dad, but I don't really know how to do it. Information everywhere, then I do not know how to consolidate them together and relate it to investment and trading and how to really profit from them. Because I switched my profession, so from audit, then I switched to recruitment. So need to think longer term because in terms of progression, career progression, it may not be as good as an accountant. So thought of like want to have a backup plan, something that can generate me passive income. Actually, it's very comprehensive, and I used to have limiting belief, that it's very, very complicated, that I would not be able to master it. So I always think that to invest, I need to rely on the financial statement, and the financial statement are not really that true. So I don't have a reliable source to depend on for investment and trading. So that's why here comes the limiting belief. So, but after this course, I feel like it's very systematic, it's very organized, and I know exactly what are the steps, the steps to do, and to do it, correctly, and also follow the guide, and I wouldn't risk much of my own portfolio. Yeah. I like it. I like the way the course is being designed. It's very organized and really very systematic. You follow step by step and you wouldn't be confused. And I think the information are well consolidated, so I wouldn't be so confused. It's like here there's one piece of information, then there's another piece of information there that I do not know how to use it. Then of course there's also very strong support from the coaches. Whenever I have any doubts or any question, I just ask, and they attend to my questions very, very fast, and also they make sure that they're able to help. And I think this is a very good course to start with. How the financial statement can relate to investment, that's the aha moment, I think. Because I really don't know how to relate. I mean, like, I know how to analyze companies, but I don't really know how to relate it to the market, to the stock market. So I think this is one thing that I learned over here, where how to actually based on financial performance of the company and relate it back to the stock market and actually profit from there. Yeah, learning from YouTube is good, but it's everywhere. Like and there are different kinds of coaches, and they may be contradicting. Yeah, so you may think that it's very confusing because you do not know who to really trust and who to really rely on, and each and every one's opinion is different. If you want to learn from YouTube, yes, it will take up a lot of time to get here. Yeah, so I think really to invest in self-development and this kind of course is really important for us to learn it fast, especially.